Hello, everyone. This is a quick video to show you how to make a recording of just what is appearing on your iPad screen for sharing with your students, and that's doing that from a Mac. There will be other videos for other ways of recording this. First step will be to open your applications folder, as you can see, and locate the application called QuickTime Player. When you open that, it opens this window to open a file, which you don't need to do. That's if you wanted to play a file. We're not going to use that, so I'll click Cancel. I will go to File, and then New Movie Recording, and it will open up my webcam. Hello. As a starting point. In order to change how it's recording, you go to the little arrow next to the round red button, and you can choose to use your iPad. And even though it says camera, what it will do is show the iPad screen. I've got Apple Notes up. So here is Apple Notes. It's also worth noting in that you can choose which microphone to use. I'll switch to the one that I'm using to record this video so that it's recorded in the same place. And as you will be able to see, if I draw on the screen, then we are able to get that appearing for the recording. Um, and the next step is, when you're ready to get started, to click the record button. It changes to a stop button and you're recording. And if I draw a triangle poorly and label the sides, um, I can think back to the Pythagorean theorem. And then I can stop this video recording. It gives me a file. I can click play and watch it back again and listen to it. And then if I'm happy with the way the video turned out, all I have to do is go to File, Export As. I like to do 720p. It's not too big, it's not too small, but it looks good on most devices. And then I will put this on my desktop. And for this one, I'll just call it triangle video. And then click save, and it starts to export it. And then when it's done, it appears over here on my desktop, and it's all good to go. Hope this helps.